Now we discuss what is a quality mindedness या quality conscious। तो जब कभी हम लोग बात करते हैं मैन, मशीन और मटेरियल्स की, तो ये तीनों बहुत ज़्यादा इंपॉर्टेंट फैक्टर हो जाते हैं प्रोडक्शन में, इन्वॉल्व प्रोडक्शन में। जैसे कि जनरली हम कह सकते हैं कि जब कभी भी मैन इज़ ऑफ सुप्रीम इम्पोर्टेंस एज अदर टू फैक्टर और इंटायरली कंट्रोल बाय मैन। हैंस जब हम बात करें इन ऑर्डर टू अगर बिल्ट अप द क्वालिटी इन द प्रोडक्ट, पर्सनस जो इन्वॉल्व है मस्ट बी क्वालिटी कॉन्शियस होना चाहिए और शुड बी टेक एक्टिव इंटरेस्ट इन द अचीवमेंट ऑफ एम्स। जो टर्म क्वालिटी माइंडनेस है इसका मतलब हुआ पर्सन एटीट्यूड टुवर्ड्स द क्वालिटी, और टू मेंटेन द क्वालिटी या improve the quality it is necessary to stress the importance of quality in the mindness, quality in the minds of various persons working in the organization, जैसे कि मैनेजर्स हो गए, फोरमैन हो गए, सुपरवाइजर्स हो गए, वर्कर हो गए, ईटीसी। जो प्रिंसिपल फोर्स है फॉर मीटिंग द, जो उनका स्पेसिफिकेशन है, मशीनिंग है, मेंटेनिंग और इम्प्रूविंग द क्वालिटी लाइज, जो कि नॉट इन द गेज इंस्ट्रूमेंट या अदर फैसिलिटी फॉर इंस्पेक्शन। It lies the state of mind of the person working in the organization, और फ्रॉम द टॉप एग्जीक्यूटिव डाउन टू द वर्कर। और साथ ही साथ नाइदर द फॉर्मुलेशन ऑफ द क्वालिटी प्रोडक्ट फॉर द enforcement of the strict control measure, that means will rarely be successful unless persons are quality conscious. So the quality so that the most expensive equipment जो होगा कैन नॉट प्रोड्यूस quality if handled by a person who lacks quality mindness। सो इसको हम लोग डिटेल में देखते हैं तो क्वालिटी माइनस जो पर्सनल है इन द फॉर्म ऑफ इंडेक्स इन द firm quality, it is universally agreed that shop operator should be quality mind, or two different theories have been developed for motivation for industrial worker। so first आता है that is your indifference theory। what is the indifference theory? Indifference theory हमें कहती है कि according to this theory it is believed that the industry uh, it is according to this theory that it is believed that the industrial man, unlike the anisators, example में that is lazy, spoiled, uncooperative, interested in for money in money। और the job of the managers is to remove the negative attitude by the incentive for meeting the quality standards। Then second theory is the craftsman theory। According to the craftsman theory, इंडस्ट्रियल वर्कर जो होते हैं वो कंटेन करते हैं और इंटरनल ड्राइव फॉर वर्क और ड्राइव सेटिस्फैक्शन बाय प्रोड्यूसिंग गुड्स वर्क। जब कभी भी ये वर्कर जो होते हैं प्रिवेंटेड होते हैं फ्रॉम यूजिंग दिस ड्राइव और गेटिंग द सेटिस्फैक्शन बिकॉज द मॉडर्न इंडस्ट्री, और साथ ही साथ ये जो ऑर्गेनाइजेशन है होता है गिव्स मीनिंगलेस मॉनिटर्स jobs of the worker, which kills the natural drive। Consequently, workers are frustrated because they cannot attend satisfactory they naturally wants. Hence, the job of the managers is to be create job condition where will be remove their frustration and will permit the normal human drives or instinct of workmanship to be used for their work। Then, for creating a quality mindedness, it is necessary for creating a quality mindedness, it is that necessary for the quality for creating a quality mindedness it is necessary to organize the quality improvement campaign in the company। the objective, पहला ऑब्जेक्टिव ये कहता है कि फर्स्ट ऑब्जेक्टिव इज टू मेक एवरीवन अवेयर द कंपनी रिलेशनशिप फॉर क्वालिटी। सभी को, to make every employee aware the company reputation for the quality। second, to make every employee realize that the company quality reputation is important for the personal well-being, and also third is that to make every employee understand that he in his daily work it is the contributing to company's quality for better or worse। And also fourth, that is to such for is the to such each employee how to can improve the contribution to the company's quality। And then further, to provide means for receiving employees' ideas or suggestion on how they improve quality. Also to record करना the best way for doing their jobs as a reference for future training and check. And also to provide करना scoreboard या means for measuring quality performance of departments or individual. So management should be try to make the workers realize that quality is important to the company future employees future years. And then dependent on the company's future, their quality is important for every person working in the company. So what are the following methods? The following methods की बात करते हैं are generally used for creating psychological climate favorable for the quality mindedness. पहला कि to attract करना attention with the help of bulletins or printed slogan or message sticker or at elevator button, up with quality, down with reject. And letter to employee home from company president articles with pictures in company newspaper. Second one is the to generate interest display करना display to the show how the company products are used rating sheets for foremen to rate themselves on quality slogan जो contest with the prizes to maintain the interest with slogan contest always yields well worded slogan which reflect the importance of quality. And also for example quality makes sales make job security quality depends on me satisfied customers are job assurance and beauty you can see quality you can trust easy contest with prizes and extra toward the suggestion of the quality improvements to arouse desire. बात करते हैं आगे तो such just as a company requires sustain efforts to retain their customers preference for their product through the advertisement or other methods साथ ही साथ they needs similar sustained efforts or technique for motivating their employees for quality constantly or such efforts may be include contest among departments पहला higher quality workmanship and or against greatest quality improvement with monthly towards monthly awards grand prize etc typically awards for individual in winning department quality circles suggestion system and also a well planned program for changing attitude or developing organizational culture through the education and training can help to produce lasting result. Then further बात करते हैं what is then further is that your is cleanness cleanliness जो working environment है वो seems to have subtle or indirect impact on the worker attitude to the quality. And further जो program on the quality should be highlighted the impact of the quality can be country's national or international image experts and employment or ultimately on the well-being and prosperity of the working class or their families.